From Minnesota, it's the Kory's Ride Show. And
from Hollywood, we bring you the Welk Show.
so the reason I'm putting this video together is because I'm going to ride from where I live here in Minnesota all the way out to Strasburg, North Dakota, where Lawrence Welk is from. And the reason for that, there's two. One is I'm trying to get to every county in the United States of America, and this will get me 6 of them? I think 6 of them in North Dakota. I'll have to double check. But and then the second reason is I had great-grandparents that lived out on the farm near us, and I was there one day, and Lawrence Welk came on the TV, as you saw in the intro, and my great-grandpa shot up out of his chair and went to the bathroom, which is something for him because I never saw him move fast. And I kind of looked at my great-grandma confused, and she says, I don't know if it's the bubbles that makes him have to go to the bathroom or if he doesn't want to miss the rest of the show, but every time it comes on, off like a shot. And the only other memory of my great-grandpa that I have is him yelling at me to stop running around the house when I was 5 or 6 probably. So I'm just going to focus on that happy memory and go on a 600-mile ride to go see a random farmhouse in North Dakota. So without further ado.
And now our musical host, Maestro Lawrence Welk.
Thank you, Bob. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, my good friends. A pleasant good evening and a warm welcome. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, I routed through this nature area. Can't remember the name of it. Can't pronounce it even if I could remember it. But yeah, it's a really nice place out in the middle of nowhere by Rutland, North Dakota. And also, you can have a poo with a view. Because I haven't seen anyone in 30 minutes, so I really doubt that anyone's going to just show up. All right, I got some miles in. Rutland, North Dakota, and that griddle cooked the world's largest hamburger. And it said on the website that I found this on that they actually flipped it also. So if you're at a restaurant and they say they've got the world's largest hamburger, that one made one that weighed over 3,000 pounds. So I love stopping for this kind of roadside stuff. Well, I made it. The wind went from mild to kind of severe, but I'm dealing with it. It's the Dakotas. There's going to be wind. But, you know, as far as locations for a farmhouse in North Dakota go, this seems like a pretty nice one. You know, you got the lake back there and everything, but I'm going to walk around and see what's here. I mean, there's no people here, so I can't go inside stuff. Still looks like there's plenty to see. Not sure how they expected these plants in every window to survive, but you know, I know it was restored. Well, I think the website said 20 years ago, but well, no, more than that, almost 30 years ago. But yeah, it's for sure seen better days. At least everything's got fresh paint and stuff on it. There's a minnow trap under that bench for some reason. Probably can't see it, but there's about 1,000,000,000,000,000 gazillion mosquitoes flying around out here. Now, I read that there was a bandstand built out here. Yeah. Mosquitoes are nasty out here. But yeah, I don't see a bandstand of any sort. And everything's got new decent locks on it, so I'm not even gonna try. This is insane. The number of mosquitoes in the air right now. Try not to breathe. Look at that, ridiculous. Well, anyway, there it is. I'm driving literally all day to see this. 558 miles, and I'm home in time for supper. Not bad considering I thought I'd get home at like 9. There's a lot less to stop and distract me than I thought. So anyway, there's only one way I can think of to end this video.
We hope we brought you some pleasant memories. Now from all of our musical family, good wishes, good health, and good night.